हेलो माय फ्रेंड्स। आज हम क्लास नाइन्थ के इम्पोर्टेंट मैप पर को देखेंगे। जो भी नाइन्थ क्लास में मैप बन सकते हैं हम उन सभी को डीपली स्टडी करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बिफोर वी स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो, we have to know about the states and union territories. Presently, there are 29 states and 7 union territories in Bharat. This is our political map. So, these are the locations of the states and union territories we have to know before we start this video. Here, this is the Tropic of Cancer divided India into a two equal parts. It grows from Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Mizoram and Tripura. Here is the Sri Lanka, neighboring country of Bharat. Here is the China. Here is the Afghanistan. Here is Pakistan. Here is Myanmar. Here is Bay of Bengal. Here is Arabian Sea. We have to know about the boundaries and neighboring countries of India. Here is Nepal. So let's start the video. First question. Locate and label the following items on the given map. The state which share its boundary with China, Nepal and Bhutan. China, here it is China, here it is Nepal and here it is Bhutan. So Sikkim is the correct answer. The state which share its boundaries with both China and Pakistan. China, here is China, here is Pakistan. Right answer is Jammu and Kashmir. The state have a common land sea boundary with Pakistan. Common land sea boundary. Here is the Gujarat is the right answer. An Indian state that share its boundary with Bangladesh and Myanmar. Bangladesh, here it is Bangladesh and here it is Myanmar. Answer is Mizoram. Smallest among the states sharing border with पाकिस्तान. सबसे छोटी स्टेट जो कि बाउंड्री शेयर, सबसे कम बाउंड्री जो कि पाकिस्तान के साथ स्टेट इंडिया की शेयर करती है. आंसर इज पंजाब. लेट्स कम ऑन टू द सेकंड मैप ऑफ भारत. सो here is the difference location given in this map. So we have to understand this. Northernmost point of India. This is the northernmost point of India. This is the northernmost latitude of India. Here is the standard meridian line 82 degree 30 minute east. Here is the easternmost longitude 97 degree 25 degree east. Here is the westernmost longitude 68 degrees 7 minute east. Okay. Here is the 8 degree 4 minute north latitude, southernmost point. Okay, there are the two questions frequently asked in the exams. First, southernmost point of India, that is Indira Point. Here it is Indira Point. But when the examiner asks southernmost point of mainland India, answer is Kanyakumari, because they are trying to ask the mainland southernmost point. Here it is the Kanyakumari. Here is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Here are the Lakshadweep Islands. Here this is the Arabian Sea in the western margin of the coastal of India, coastal plains of India. So let's come on the north to south distance. This is the north and this is the south. The distance is 3214 kilometer. And if they ask the westernmost and easternmost point distance, then this is the 2933 kilometer. Now come on the, yes, we have to locate the points. Easternmost longitude, we have already studied about this. Easternmost latitude is 97 degree 25 minute east. Pamir Knot located on the this point. Western Ghats, these are the Western Ghats. Now Betwa River, we have already studied about the Betwa River. This is the Betwa River. Southernmost point of mainland of India, this is the Kanyakumari. Now come on the mountain passes, mountain range. Here is the first mountain pass we have to locate in this map. Mountain pass हमें ये डिनोट करना है कौन सा mountain pass है. This is the Sipkila pass. Mountain range we have to denote, this is the mountain range. Second one, mountain range is Jaskar range. This is the Jaskar range located in the Jammu and Kashmir. A river known as Dakshin Ganga, answer is Godavari river. This is the longest river of the peninsular India. Here is the Godavari river. The outermost range of Himalayas, outermost Shivalik, this is the right answer. There are the three ranges we have studied. World's highest gravity dam, Bhakra Dam. This is the Bhakra Dam. Now come on the another map work. We have to locate the highest mountain peak of Himalayas in India. Right answer is Nathula. If the examiner ask about the highest peak of India, answer is Kanchenjunga. It is between the border of Sikkim and Nepal. But if they ask about the highest peak of the world, then the answer is Mount Everest, located in the Nepal. So if they ask highest mountain peak of Himalayas in India, then the answer is K2. A mountain pass in Sikkim, we have to locate this mountain pass located in the Sikkim, Nathula. We can also learn this pass, that this pass is located in the north of the Sikkim. So N for Nathula pass, located in the Sikkim. A mountain pass in the Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Here is this is the Arunachal Pradesh. This pass is Bomdila Pass. Come on the another map. We have to locate the Naga Hills. Naga Hills is located in the Nagaland. We have already know about the Nagaland. This is the Nagaland. So Naga Hills located in the Nagaland. Mizo Hills. Mizo Hills located in the Mizoram. Now third one, Nanda Devi Peak. Nanda Devi Peak is here, located in the Nanda Devi Peak. Fourth is Anaimudi. Anaimudi is the located in the Kerala. Anaimudi is the highest peak of Western Ghats. Now next one, Aravalli Range, a mountain range. Examiner can ask, किसी भी टाइप से एग्जामिनर किसी भी टाइप से क्वेश्चन को पूछ सकता है. सो अरावली रेंज पूछ सकता है या फिर माउंटेन रेंज इन राजस्थान. दिस इज द अरावली रेंज. छोटा नागपुर प्लेटू, अ इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेटू है. दिस इज द छोटा नागपुर प्लेटू. दिस इज आल्सो नोन एज पैट रीजन. मीन्स यहाँ पर स्कोप है कि यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा मिनरल्स लोकेटेड है आपके। नाउ लोकेट एंड लेबल, अब हमें लेबल करने हैं आपके द स्टेट सेपरेटिंग श्रीलंका एंड इंडिया। हमें स्टेट का नाम बताना है जो इंडिया और श्रीलंका को अलग करता है। आंसर इज पाल्क स्टेट। वेमनाड लेक, वेमनाड लोकेट करना है हमको। दिस इज द केरला वेमनाड लेक। नाउ वुलर लेक, वुलर लेक इज इन द जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, Andaman and Nicobar Island. This is located in the Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Lakshadweep Islands located in the Arabian Sea. Now come on the next map. A type of vegetation. हमें टाइप्स ऑफ वेजिटेशन के बारे में बताना है। एक्चुअली ये गलत हो चुका है, चलिए करते हैं। टाइप्स ऑफ वेजिटेशंस के बारे में बताना है हमको। सो फर्स्ट पूछी गई थी हमसे माउंटेन फॉरेस्ट के बारे में, लोकेट करना था ये कौन सी है, माउंटेन फॉरेस्ट है। सेकंड ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट के बारे में, फिर ट्रॉपिकल थॉर्न फॉरेस्ट के बारे में। ये हमारा राजस्थान वाला पार्ट है, ये हमारा बिहार वाला पार्ट है, और ये हमारा अरुणाचल प्रदेश वाला पार्ट है। दिस इज अरुणाचल प्रदेश, दिस इज आंध्र प्रदेश। Now come on the next map. Wildlife sanctuaries and bird sanctuaries and national parks. So here we locate the locations of the national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries. Let's start. Dachigam, Jammu and Kashmir. Rajaji, Himachal Pradesh, सॉरी उत्तराखंड यूके। कॉर्बेट उत्तराखंड। दूधवा यूपी उत्तर प्रदेश। सरिस्का राजस्थान। कैलेडियो घाना, दिस इज आल्सो इन राजस्थान। रणथंबोर, दिस इज आल्सो इन द राजस्थान। शिवपुरी लोकेटेड इन द मध्य प्रदेश एमपी। चंद्रप्रभा लोकेटेड, सॉरी शिवपुरी located in the MP and Chandraprabha located in the UP Uttar Pradesh. Gorumara located in the West Bengal. Now Manas located in the Assam. Namdaba located in the Arunachal Pradesh. Kaziranga located in the Assam. Here is the Rajgir. Rajgir located in the Jharkhand. Simplipal located in the Odisha. Chandaka located and Thampa located in the same Odisha. Kahana located in the MP. Pench is also located in the MP. Tadoba is also located in the MP. Wildlife sanctuary, Gir sanctuary, ये आपके गिर नेशनल पार्क लोकेटेड इन द गुजरात। नाउ कम ऑन दिस। संजय गांधी महाराष्ट्र। पोंचरम कवल, कवल is also located in the Maharashtra. Poncharam is also located in the Maharashtra. Anturangram, this is located in the Telangana. Telangana. Dandeli located in the Karnataka. Guindy is located in the, Guindy is the national park located in the ये है हमारा आंध्र प्रदेश। Vemanad located in the Tamil Nadu. Nagarhole located in the Karnataka. Ranthambore also located in the, this is located in the Kerala. Bandipur Karnataka. Mundumalai also located in the Kerala. This one Kabul Lemjao, this is located in the Manipur. So these are the national parks, bird sanctuary and wildlife sanctuary. Periyar also located in the Kerala. So the state having the highest population density, this is the Bihar. Here it is Bihar. The state having the lowest population density, कौन सी स्टेट है? अरुणाचल प्रदेश. The most populous state of India, उत्तर प्रदेश. The least population state of India, this is the Sikkim. Now the union territory have the highest population density, this is the Delhi. This is the Delhi. The union territory having the lowest population density, lowest population density, UT बतानी, union territory बतानी, Andaman and Nicobar. The state having the highest sex ratio is the Kerala, is the right answer. So this is the biosphere reserve of India. Let's see. Cold desert, this is the Jammu Kashmir. Nanda Devi, this is the located in the Uttarakhand. Kanchenjunga, this is located in the Sikkim. Dihang and Dibang, this is located in the Arunachal Pradesh. Dibru Saikho is also located in the Arunachal Pradesh. Manas located in the Assam. Nokrek located in the Meghalaya. Sundarban, West Bengal. Panna, MP. Great Run of Kutch, Gujarat. Panchmari, MP, Madhya Pradesh. Achanakmar, Amarkantak is located in the Orissa. Simplipal located in the Odisha. Sorry, this Achanakmar और अमरकंटक is located in the छत्तीसगढ़. ये हमारा छत्तीसगढ़ में लोकेटेड है. Seschalam is located in the, I think this is located in the Karnataka. एक बार कंफर्म कर लेंगे हम इसको. Nilgiri is located in the Kerala. Gulf of Mannar is located in the Palk state. Agastyamalai located in the Kerala. So now come on the next map. Now from here history is start. अभी हमने ऊपर स्टडी की ज्योग्राफी मैप्स की, और अब हम स्टडी करेंगे हिस्ट्री के मैप की. एपी सेंटर ऑफ मेन पैनिक मूवमेंट इन दी वेस्टर्न फ्रांस. दिस इज द सिंपल आंसर, रफीक. Region of Western France that was not affected by the Great Fear, Brest. The port of France related to the slave trade, Bordeaux. Port of France enriched due to slave trade, Nantes. ये आपके चार मैप थे. कौन कौन से चार आपके क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे? फर्स्ट ब्रेस्ट, Nantes, Rafec, Bordeaux. Now we have to locate it Bordeaux. Here it is Bordeaux. Normandy located in this point. Nantes here. Now come on the Chhattisgarh region. We have studied this Chhattisgarh. This happened in 1910. So where it is the Bastar region located? This is the Chhattisgarh state. Here in the southern area Bastar region is located. Here it is. From here Indravati river passes. So this is the Bastar region of Chhattisgarh. Pastoralists in the modern world. Pastoralists क्या होते हैं? Pastoralists are people who main source of livestock which they move seasonally in search of fresh pastures and water. So pastures आपके वो livestock जो कि अपना सोर्स जो रखते हैं, वो उनका बेसिकली जिससे लाइवलीहुड उनका घर चलता है, वो उनके जो पशु जो उनके पास डोमेस्टिकेटेड एनिमल्स होते हैं उनसे चलता है, और वो सीजनली अपनी मूवमेंट करते हैं फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस इन सर्च टू रन देयर लाइवलीहुड. सो वी हैव टू लोकेट दिस. These are the Gujars located in the Jammu and Kashmir. Gadis located in the Himachal and Himachal Pradesh. Bhotias and Gujars located in the Uttarakhand. मोन पास लोकेटेड इन द अरुणाचल प्रदेश, बंजारास लोकेटेड इन द यूपी राजस्थान एमपी, रायकास लोकेटेड इन द राजस्थान, मालदीज गुजरात, डांगर्स हमारे हरियाणा को बोलते हैं गांव के अंदर डांगर्स इज लोकेटेड इन द महाराष्ट्र, कुरबाज एंड गोलास आर लोकेटेड ऑन द बॉर्डर्स ऑफ द कर्नाटका एंड तेलंगाना एंड आंध्र प्रदेश. So last is triangular trade between India and the world. ट्रायंगल ट्रेड देखना है इंडिया और वर्ल्ड के बीच में. सो इंग्लैंड लंदन से ये स्टार्ट होता था. इंडिया में कैलकाटा की जगह पर ये लोकेटेड है. कैंटन भी था और वे चाइना से होते हुए फिर वापस. ये था हमारा स्लेव ट्रायंगल वर्ल्ड के अंदर. सो ये थे इंपॉर्टेंट मैप